Oh, we're in for a treat today. Look at this gorgeous 1957 Ford Thunderbird. Not only is it restored completely, but it also features the porthole hardtop, a real convertible top, power steering, power brakes, power windows, power seat, and they've added air conditioning to it. Not to mention the wire wheels, I'm sure you noticed. They really look good on this car. I just bought this car back from the people I sold it to 23 years ago. Go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 classic cars, each one with a price tag and a monthly payment, including this bird right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Subscribe to our YouTube channel too. So this is pretty amazing. They hardly use the car at all. It was in a nice, dry, clean garage space. That's amazing that it's held up this good. That's a sign of a good restoration. The hood has to fit all the way around, and it does. It fits beautifully. All this is straight and clean. Has the functional air hood scoop too. This is a sports car back in the day, two-seater sports car. These doors, they didn't fit that good when they were new. The doors were known to always stick out. It lines up real nice. Quarter panels are straight. There's no rust. We did not send this to a body shop. It has not had any repairs. This paint job's at least 25 years old, and it looks fantastic. All this is clean and straight. You got the little tail fins in 57. All fits real nicely. See how the trunk has to fit all the way around, and it does. All this is clean. There's no rust popping or bubbles or damage or anything like that. The fender skirts are removable on all of them. But look at the nice gap, and again, it's nice and flush fitting. Shuts very nicely. All this is clean. Normally this is, bubbled up. These vents open, let some fresh air in. All this is nice and clean. Look at how the headlights kind of dart out at you. And yeah, that is a functional scoop. Now, it's colonial white. It's beautiful paint job, polished nice and smooth. Couple little nicks. There's one on the very edge here. That should be easy to touch up. It's just a solid white color. There's a little chip up here on the top of the headlight bezel. And maybe there's another chip or two, but it's a beautiful paint job. I don't think I opened this door for you. Shuts real nicely. So when I said it has a real convertible top, there's a real cheap reproduction that's out there. This is the actual top, the big heavy iron framework, kind of awkward swinging the top in behind the seat there, but it is a real convertible top. The white convertible, it's still very usable. It's nice and clean. It's got a lot of wrinkles. I think even one little snag in it because it's been down for 20-something years. There's pictures of that on our website. But the fact it has that framework, that's important. That's the most expensive part of the whole ordeal. We'll talk about the hardtop a little later. All the chrome was redone when they restored it. The emblems, the bumpers, the taillights. I noticed earlier they're moving it. The reverse lights work. All the stainless is all polished. It's all shiny. All the trim is shiny. They got the little wing windows. Cool feature. The glass was replaced. The gasket was replaced. All the weather strips. And yes, all this chrome is sparkling. Now the wire wheels, they came with hubcaps. The nubs are still on the tread of the tire. There's no miles on those tires. Granted, they're older, but they look brand new. They cleaned up real nice. But the wire wheels are a nice accessory. All the chrome, the grill, the bumper, all looks beautiful. Has the spinners, and I love the fact it has the red center cap. Really looks nice with the red upholstery. Great looking car. Let's keep looking at the inside now. Really excited about this car. I love everything about it, and the fact we haven't had one in a long time. I can't remember last time we had a two-seater bird in here. So it's all painted. It has the sticker, the jam. Everything's real nice. The weather strip is replaced. Now look inside. It's got the complete plaid liner kit, and they even sprung for a matching fifth chrome wire wheel and matching reproduction tire. Has the jack assembly all there. So beautiful, clean, complete trunk. And normally they would just put a black rim on the spare if you even got a spare. So whoever restored this car was obvious. They did a nice job at the time. Door jambs are painted nice. Latches look good. Weather strips are replaced. And look at that red interior. Look how it pops. The red reproduction door panels have the Thunderbird logo and it has that machine turned trim. And notice there's power seat and power window switches. It was all optional. So the dash pad fits real nice. And then you have more of this machine turned trim that's all in excellent shape. Full set of gauges, including a factory tachometer. And I'm amazed the clock is ticking. After all these years, it's still working. But look at all the knobs. Everything looks great. The interior light works. Heater control panel works. Now they have a stereo. I must have put a stereo in the glove box here. There it is right there. So CD player maybe. Yeah, I'm not sure. It might be a more modern stereo than the one that's there. A salesman can help answer more questions about that. Kick panels all real nice. Chrome vents. Remember the vent on the outside that comes in through here. You got the reproduction mats underneath there is real nice carpet. Now air conditioning, that wasn't even an option back then. This was added and it's very nicely installed. The automatic transmission was an option. They came with a manual 3-speed. It's much nicer, just put it in gear and go. So the seat was rebuilt. Feels great, all new, nice cushion, reupholstered real nicely. And then behind the seat is the red cover that covers the top. And then I mentioned the convertible top. It's a 2-person job, and it does fit in there. It's a little awkward. You got to fold it up and get it down without, bumping the seat or anything. And it's a nice bright white top, all restored framework. All the weather strip was replaced, but it does have some wrinkles just from being down all those years. The steering wheel has some chips. When you're sitting here, if you're wearing a belt buckle, it got chipped up, so the steering wheel could use some fresh paint. The visors still look brand new. So really, really nice interior with lots of nice options. Here comes with the leather Thunderbird key tag. So more nice options under here. This was restored. This wasn't a spray can special. You can tell this was a part and restored. It is the 312 motor. They came, I think, with a 292 or the optional 312. It's a 312 making 245 horsepower. It's a 4-barrel. It's got a big Holly underneath there. But this has the engine dress-up kit. That's the polished air cleaner, the thinned valve covers, and a chrome breather on the other side. All stock, glass fuel bowl, fuel lines. And this is power brakes and power steering. 2 important options. As we get older, we like to have them comfort features. Also a 12-volt battery. They were 6-volt in 55. I don't remember about 56. But everything in here is restored. You can see that. They've added air conditioning. It's so neatly installed, you don't even really notice it's there. Look at all the suspension was redone, all the wiring was replaced, the stickers were put back on. Look how detailed this was at the time that they restored it. Really, really nice engine compartment, and the motor just purrs. Now, the hardtop. This is the porthole hardtop, and it looks like it was completely restored. The headliner, the trim, the glass, the gaskets, the chrome, the paint on the top itself gives the car a whole different look with the porthole hardtop. Didn't Suzanne Summers drive a car just like this in American Graffiti? I think so. All right, Michael's going to go drive it right now and show you how it works, and we'll see you in a few minutes.
everybody, we are cruising in style and class today. Beautiful 57 Thunderbird here. It's got the optional 312 cubic inch V8 under the hood that's paired with the Ford-O-Matic automatic transmission. Makes for a nice, easy experience out on the road. This thing has just got a gorgeous restoration, and you know, all the mechanics have been rebuilt and started real easy for me, just with a tap on the gas. So this thing's loaded with options. It's got air conditioning. How you doing? Getting the waves already. Yeah, it doesn't take long to get lots of attention when you're in a beautiful classic like this. So, but it does have air conditioning. It's dropping ice cubes in my lap right now. And yeah, well, let's see what she's got. Just like that, up to 60 miles an hour without an issue. Just eased into it real nice and steady there, about halfway in the throttle, I'd say, and it did everything that we wanted. This is a fantastic running vehicle. So like I was saying before we took off there, it does have air conditioning that works extremely well. It also has power steering and power brakes. Those are both working also. Other things it has is power seat, power windows, and yeah, these are all things that are functioning. Our shop inspected, and that's one of the things that they did was actually fix the motors in the seat and have that running. So great vehicle. Come down, test drive it for yourself, and check out all the details at volocars.com.
So they redid just about everything under the car as well, and it looks like it was done yesterday. All of the steering and suspension front and back. I mean, the bushings and ball joints and even the rear springs and bushings and shocks, all that was redone. The dual exhaust has like a glass pack style muffler on it, goes all the way out the back like it's supposed to. The brakes were redone at the time of restoration and are working fine. You look up at the motor, it's still like spotless, like the top of the motor is, the starter, everything looks clean. The Ford-O-Matic transmission is clean. The drive shaft was restored. The rear end looks like it was restored. The fuel system was replaced, the tank, all that stuff was all redone. So yeah, this was a high quality professional restoration loaded with options, and this thing's priced super, super fair. Someone will be very happy with this T-Bird. Go to volocars.com. A salesman can help with your questions, including how to get your T-Bird delivered to your door. And don't be afraid to hit the buy it now and lock this one up. I bet you this one's gone right away. And they can help you with financing too. Thanks for watching.